Hey gang, Thomas back again, and we ordered something in the mail, and we're going to do an unboxing. And we'll just leave it as a surprise for now, but let's get out the old push dagger. Let's open this thing. As you might notice, I've moved. No longer live at that other apartment. Me and my wife got us a house. So, there'll be a lot more videos being made as soon as it starts warming up. Because right now it is cold outside, I'm telling you. It's cold. So, we'll just keep some of the videos coming, but once it warms up, we'll have builds, we'll have more knife throwing. I'm going to be building some new targets. We have a garage now, so we can build things, wood projects, metal projects. Planning on getting a welder. Yeah, we got a fenced-in backyard now. My dogs can actually go running. Right, Mooch? Yeah, buddy, good boy. All right, let's get back to this unboxing. So, things have really turned around in 2019. Hopefully 2020 is going to be a fantastic year. Alright, let's see what we got in here, gang. Don't need that. And there we go. I got me a new welding helmet. Even though I got one maybe, I don't know, about a year ago. I got that brand new one, the T94 I think it's called, or T9. I don't remember. But in my other videos when I'm at work, you guys have seen it. It's a really nice helmet. But as I said, I'm planning on getting a welder for here at home, so I needed a new hood for here at home. And Cyberweld, they are really good at what they do. They sell all kinds of welding equipment, hoods, welding machines themselves. They usually have really good prices. And this deal, I know it's not a Miller. I prefer Millers, but this is a Hobart. This is the first helmet I've ever gotten that's a Hobart. If I can get it out of here. Okay. We're packed pretty good. Okay, here's the unbox. Alright. We got the camouflage, the Hobart. And it's a pretty nice looking helmet. Should we get it out of the package? Oh, and that Cyberweld had these on sale on, I think it was Black Friday or Cyber Monday, one of the two. It's probably Cyber Monday since it's Cyberweld. But they had these Hobart helmets. I mean, auto darkening, everything. A Miller helmet usually runs anywhere from $250 to $400, and actually the auto darkening, just to buy it for a Miller helmet, which I do have an extra helmet, but the inside went bad, it's running like $250 alone, just for the auto darkening. So, but you could buy a helmet, the shell, for like $50. So when I seen these with the auto darkening for $64, I jumped on it. And I jumped hard. So, let's get this out of the package at least and see what she looks like. Got some extra lenses. We've got a booklet to tell us how to run it. And all in all, I think she looks really nice. I mean, I don't even think it's the same hood that I ordered. I ordered a camo one, but this looks like a little bit different than the one I did order. But I'm okay with that. Yeah. Grind, weld, sensitivity, delay. Yes, I think I'm going to like this very much. Wow, that's a tight fit. Let's loosen her up a bit. What you think, gang? Probably have to take her to work tomorrow and test her out just to see how she shines. Alright, well, I'm pretty happy with it. Yes, very happy with it. Oh, here's your shade thing on the side. That's so you can adjust your shade. Discovery VS. I don't know if that means versus or just VS. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. That's what the inside looks like, gang. Yeah, it looks like it tells you all your replacement hardware and your batteries, numbers, and everything are on the inside too. So yeah, got a pretty decent width. It's alright. It's about like a basic smaller Miller, but for $64, you can't go wrong. So get a chance, gang. If you happen to be a welder or in that welding business or something, check out CyberWeld. It's a really good site. They treat you well. You get your things within. I ordered this about maybe a week to 4 days ago, and it's here already. So they're very prompt, quick. I actually had a buddy of mine, Nick. He just got a new helmet too, the Raptor one, and he ended up paying full price for his because he got it earlier before the sale. So he just kind of missed it, but he got a really nice helmet. He got them from CyberWeld. So yeah, and he's really, really happy with his hood too. So all right, gang. Well, let me know in the comments what you think of my new hood. If you like it, comment down there below, and if you don't, comment too. All right, gang. We'll be back soon. All right.